Apple quietly added one of the coolest features in iOS 26.5, and I don't think enough people are talking about it. You can now create custom animated wallpapers on iPhone using different color combinations, and some of these wallpapers genuinely look better than Apple's default ones. This is not just about colors. The wallpapers actually animate when you unlock the phone, and the effect looks really clean. So let me show you how this works. First, your iPhone needs to be running iOS 26.5. Once you update, open the wallpaper gallery and go to the new Pride wallpaper section. Now keep swiping till the very end because that is where Apple has hidden the custom wallpaper creator. You can mix up to 12 colors and create your own wallpaper patterns. Every color combination gives the wallpaper a completely different look. I personally like starting with black and white because it gives a nice clean base. Then you can start adding more colors and see what works best. The best part is how easy it is to experiment. Just tap on a color to add it or tap again to remove it. You can keep trying different combinations for hours. But the main highlight here is the animation. Whenever you unlock the iPhone, the wallpaper smoothly moves across the screen and it looks surprisingly good. It almost feels like Apple added a completely new lock screen experience without properly talking about it. And if your iPhone supports always on display, it looks even better. Just go to settings, display and brightness, always on display, and enable show wallpaper. Once you do that, the wallpaper slowly fades when the phone sleeps and smoothly comes back when you wake it. It is very small detail, but it makes the whole experience feel much more polished. So if you are updating to iOS 26.5, definitely try this feature out. That's it for this video. Let me know which color combination looks the best to you, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching.